Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a holiday look. This is going to be a little bit more on the New Year's Eve side of the holidays, kind of towards the end. So today I'm going to be using some of the best selling products from Flower Beauty. This is sold in Walmart and on flowerbeauty.com. So if any of you guys have heard of this before or used this brand before, I'd love to know your thoughts. Put your comments down below, what your favorite products are, if you've used any of these ones specifically. So as you can see, I already have my face done, my eyebrows, everything's done, complete, ready for eyes and lips. And I did want to mention that this video is sponsored by Flower Beauty. So first I'm going to go ahead and just go through some of the products they sent me, just kind of show you guys, explain what they are. And yeah. So first off, here is the Shimmer and Strobe Highlight Palette. This palette retails for $12.98. Again, these are all at Walmart and at flowerbeauty.com again. So as you can see, there are 3 shades included, and then there also is this little strobing brush that also comes over here. Over here is more of a lighter champagne shade. There's a pink one, and then there is a gold. And just swatching these, they're so creamy. They're so pigmented, as you can see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's see. These are so creamy, so pigmented. I'm really excited to use these. Alright, so next is Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. So the setting spray comes in 2 formulas. There's long lasting matte and there's also a hydrating one. And this retails for $9.98. And it has a controlled mist. Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, so there are 2 eyeshadow palettes that I have. These are called the Shimmer and Shade eyeshadow palettes. This one up here is called Intense Natural, and this one down here is Golden Natural. So each palette comes with 10 shades. There's also a brush in here. This is like a blending brush, very fluffy brush. I will say that this is a very good quality brush for the price of this. It comes with a brush. So usually more affordable palettes, they usually come with brushes that are not even usable or not a brush at all. And this one, I would say, is very high quality. Here, I'll kind of zoom in so you guys can see it. But it's synthetic and it just feels really good. It's very soft. It feels high quality, which I'm surprised. And then here are the palettes. There are 10 shades in each. These are super creamy, like so pigmented. I just can't believe how good these are. Like, I haven't used these on my eyes, but I can't wait to. Look at that gold. Oh my god, these are so soft, so creamy. So you can use these either wet or dry. So if you want a bit more pigmentation, you can get them wet, although I don't think you will need them, but we will see about that. And these palettes retail for $14.98 at Walmart. Next, I have 4 of the Miracle Matte Lips. These are liquid lipsticks. This is a non-drying formula. It has like a cushion feel, which means probably like soft and velvety. So they're available in 13 shades. I was swatching these earlier, and these are very pigmented. Very pigmented, like a lot goes a long way. Or a little goes a long way. And these retail for $7.98. Alright, next I have some of the Petal Pout lipsticks. This is more of like a traditional lipstick formula. So I swatched these earlier. These, you know, full pigmentation in one swipe. It should be comfortable to wear. These are available in 24 shades total. Some are soft mattes, some are like a cream finish. And the price for one of these is $5.98. And then the last thing I have is the Lash Warrior Mascara. This says you can get 150% Fierce Explosion Volume with your lashes. So it has a 360-degree spiked warrior brush. So make sure it gets down in the roots. And this retails for $7.98. So now that we have all the products laid out and you guys are informed, I'm going to go ahead and just apply them and put them to use and start the tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, my face is pretty matte. I have not put on highlighter yet because I have been waiting to use the Flower Beauty highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. And I think I'm going to do a mixture of this gold shade and then the champagne shade right here. So I'm going to grab my highlighting brush and I'm just going to mix the 2 of them a little bit. And then top off a little bit. And let's see. Oh my goodness. Did you see how instant that was? I even tapped my brush off. Oh, honey, look, no cast either. man. That's like metallic plating on me right now. And then close up, if I look at it, the formula, it's not chunky, it's not glittery on my skin at all. Oh, honey. Alright, so I'm just going to finish highlighting my face, the nose, and then the bridge. So a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. Wow, man. Alright, now that we are glowing, the face is officially done now. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Alright, so I want to see how this brush performs. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brush that comes with the palette. And first off, I'm going to use the Golden Natural Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to grab this shade right here, this matte shade. And I'm going to pop that into the crease as a transition shade. She's pigmented, lots of, look at that. That's one dip, honey. I would tap your brush off. These are blending very well so far. Good pigmentation. This brush is working pretty well. I would say it's working like any other brush I would choose. Any of my brushes in my collection I would use for eyes. I don't see anything bad about it, any difference really. Alright, crease color is done. Alright, so taking the Intense Natural Eyeshadow Palette, I'm going to grab this dark shade right here. And I'm going to grab that on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put that right on the outer corner and the inner corner. This is going to kind of be like a halo effect. I'm going to do a halo, but I'm also going to cut the crease in the middle. And put a brighter shade there. I'm going to apply this. Ooh, that is dark, honey. Yes, pigment. If you guys didn't know, this brand is actually owned by Drew Barrymore, which I think is so cool. I love Drew Barrymore. Grew up watching her. I love like every movie she's in. My favorite is 50 First Dates. And I seen her at BeautyCon this last year in LA. And she walked right by me and I was just like, yes, queen. This is so pigmented. Look how that blended out. Look at that. Aye. Alright, so I'm going to blend that up just a little bit too into the crease. You want to use kind of like a smaller brush because you don't, if you're going to do a halo, you want to kind of keep the product concentrated into one area. Especially if you're using black, you want to make sure that it doesn't get too crazy, it doesn't blend everywhere, and you don't make a mess. Also, sorry if I'm sounding a little weird, a little nasally, I am a little bit sick. Alright, so I'm also going to take this up into the center of the crease. I'm going to leave that little space in the middle of the forehead. What? The whole space in the middle of my eyelid, I'm going to leave that blank for that brighter shade. And I don't have any fallout either with this dark shade, which is really nice. As you can see, nothing down there. And I'm going to grab that shade again that's in the crease, just a little bit of it on that blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those together, kind of diffuse that black a little bit. And boom, look at them just blend together. Easy smoky eye. You could also just leave it right here, fill the black in, or fill the middle with black, and you just have like an easy, simple smoky eye. So I'm going to take some liquid concealer in the back of my hand, liquid concealer, don't know if I said that right, and a concealer brush. I'm just going to cut the middle of my crease and do like a halo cut crease. If you guys know what I mean, you'll see. So I'm just going to go right at my crease in the center. I'm going to look straight ahead so I can see it, and then just place it down right there, and I'm going to kind of blend that out on the edges and then bring that down. Alright, so from the Golden Natural Palette, I'm going to grab this shade right here, and it's going to go on the center of the eyelid. Alright, so once that's down, I'm just going to go ahead and take the black again and just kind of blend the two together. Add a little bit more of that black in. Alright, so here is the top part. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the top. I'm going to go ahead and put the black underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm going to put a spotlight right in the middle of the gold. Alright, so I'm gonna grab that brown again that's in my transition, or that's in my crease, that transition shade. I'm gonna go ahead and run that right along the black. Just give a little bit more color along that black and help smoke that out. And then this will take the black away a little bit, and we'll go back in and just add a little more black. So the gold I'm gonna use is by Japanesque. This is just a gold eyeliner. I'm gonna put that right into the center of the eye. And last but not least, I'm going to grab this bright gold shade right here, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner. Ooh, that is pigmented. The eyes are finished as far as eyeshadow. Gonna go ahead and move on to the lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the mascara, the Lash Warrior. Go ahead and apply them, and then I will go ahead and do false lashes. Oh wow. Holy cannolis, look at that mascara. Holy cannolis, who says that? Wow, that mascara is dark. And that is volume, honey. Alright guys, so now I'm going to move on to lips. I'm going to use Dark and Stormy, the liquid lip, the Miracle Matte liquid lip. So I'm going to pop this one on. Alright, so now when my lips are dry, I'm going to go ahead and grab that gold highlighter that I used on my face. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right into the center of the lip. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the setting spray. Again, this is the Seal the Deal setting spray. Alright guys, so here is the end of the video and the complete tutorial of Flower Beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out Walmart and flowerbeauty.com if you guys want to get a hold of any of these items. And let me know your thoughts if you guys have ever used Flower Beauty. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys what you guys think of the brand. I am very impressed with everything that I have used. There was not one thing that I did not like. And it's not just like I applied it and I was like, oh, this is good, this is okay. It was like, wow, this is pretty good. Like, this is really good for its price point and for it being drugstore. My favorite thing I would say, ooh, that's hard. I would say the highlighter is so good. One of the best, probably one of the best drugstore highlighters that I have ever used. And also probably the best drugstore eyeshadows I've ever used. I'm not gonna lie, obviously, but they're just so creamy and they're so pigmented. Like the shimmers, oh my gosh, the formula on those are amazing, and the brush that comes with is pretty good. Really good, actually. So you guys should check some of these out if you have not already. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.